Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting another work week in my life vlog. Surprise, it's starting on a Tuesday again. This keeps happening. It's literally like every time I start a vlog now, it just falls where my work week is starting on a Tuesday because I have like the Monday off for whatever reason. So yesterday I just actually worked from home, so there wasn't really much to vlog. So I figured I would just go ahead and start it today since I'm going in the office. So I'm almost to work now. I'm about to park. I have like a somewhat busy and interesting week, just because we are getting ready for my sister's baby shower, which is on Saturday. So I'm gonna be doing some prep for that with my mom and like having to shop and stuff. Well, tomorrow I'm going to my parents' house because we usually have like girls' night every Monday with my sister and my cousins, but we moved it to Wednesday this week because we're gonna make cookies for the shower. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, and then Thursday my mom is like grocery shopping for like some food stuff that's left, but I think she's going like 11 because she's taking most of the day off. So I probably won't be able to make that, but I have to do my own shopping because I'm doing like a charcuterie board, and then I can just get whatever's left that we don't have. So I'm thinking I'm either gonna do that Thursday or I might actually do it Friday morning because Friday I have all day off and I'm going to help my mom again and just kind of put everything together. So yeah, I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna do that like an after work Thursday thing or like Friday morning. Either way, today is pretty chill. I'm thinking we might try to go to the gym. We went to the gym yesterday for the first time in literally months, like I think since before the wedding. I think I've said I've been like running and stuff sometimes after work, but we haven't actually gone to the gym in so long. So I want to see if we can go again today and keep it up. I'm definitely really sore today, but it was worth it because I feel a lot better. I just went in the garage, so it probably got super dark. So surprise again, but not actually a surprise that we didn't go to the gym. But it's fine because we went yesterday, had a good workout, but change of plans. Well, either way, we were gonna come home and make dinner, but we decided we're gonna go to the movies with my parents. So we wanted to see Jurassic Park. Jurassic World. And yeah, so we kind of briefly like mentioned it to them last weekend or over the weekend, and then my dad texted me and asked if we wanted to go still. So we're doing that. And we found out that did you already know that about the Tuesday thing?
I told her, but I don't know if they were still doing it.
Oh, well yeah, so apparently on Tuesdays it's like discount tickets. So we thought might as well go. So yeah, the movie's at 7:30 and it's 6 o'clock now, so hopefully we can cook and eat and get there in time. We're gonna be making this spinach pasta that I saw on TikTok and we've been making it a couple times and it's really good. It's almost like a pesto when we make it because we also put basil. So I kind of just like tweaked what I saw. So like we do things a little bit differently, but it's really good and we're gonna cook that now. So we also add chicken to it. So John is cooking the chicken, and then you take some garlic, heat that in a pan. This is to make like the sauce. It's basically like blended spinach and onion and cheese. I also chopped an onion, add that to the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta. We're actually using 2 different kinds just because we only have like a little bit of each. And then you add crushed red pepper and salt. I'm also gonna do some cracked pepper. And I'm using this baby spinach and arugula mix. I think it's usually just spinach, but it all kind of works well. So I just put a big handful of this. Just any greens. Yeah, and then later we add basil. Just have this cooked down. This is like one of our new favorites. It's so good. Right? Don't you like it?
I agree.
Yeah, adding the basil just makes it amazing. It's basically like pesto. Get that off the heat once it cooks down. How's the chicken?
It's coming along.
So then you put the spinach blend in a blender. Probably should have let it cool down a little more, but it's fine. Or else how is the sauce gonna stay warm? But I've seen people say that you're supposed to cool, but whatever. And then we put mozzarella cheese. That doesn't seem like a lot of spinach at all. I probably should have made more. We'll just put a lot of basil and Parmesan cheese, a little bit of pasta water. And the girl used like heavy cream, but I actually use Greek yogurt and I think it's just as good. And it's no fat, obviously better for you. And then a big bunch of basil. And then blend all this together. And final product. I definitely could have maybe made a bigger thing of sauce, but still get quite a bit once you mix it around. And then of course we have the little pieces of chicken. But yeah, super yummy. Hello, happy Wednesday. I'm clearly not at work because I'm actually working from home today. We're having like construction go on at the office, and they said it was gonna be like really loud and they were gonna be drilling like under our offices. So they told everyone we should work from home. So I've been working for a little bit now. We're probably gonna stop and have lunch soon because obviously John is here all the time. This is his normal routine. But when I'm here, I obviously have to figure out lunch like in the middle of the day. So yeah, I'm still going to my mom and dad's house tonight and thinking we're gonna try to go to the gym right when he gets off at 5 since we didn't make it yesterday. But yeah, trying to figure out what we're gonna eat for lunch. And I have to put away some of like the fruit and stuff we have in the fridge and lettuce, like put it in our salad spinner. I'm gonna try and get that done. Of course, just finish up my work day. But yeah, I'm still finishing up a few things until he comes downstairs. So I just made the sandwich. It looks so good. It's like chicken, basil, tomato, mozzarella, balsamic pesto kind of thing. And John's eating leftovers. So perks of working from home, I can go and get some sun while I'm working. So I'm gonna go and sit by our pool and finish up work for the day. So I just made myself an iced coffee since I didn't have any this morning. I usually drink hot coffee every morning, but when I'm at home, I usually don't have to have it first thing in the morning. And if I'm taking it outside, I figured might as well make it iced. It's really good. I'm mad because I ran out of my caramel syrup. And I get like the skinny syrups that you can find like Home Goods and stuff. And I've looked at like 2 or 3 different Home Goods in TJ Maxx and I can't find it anywhere. So I had to use vanilla, which I like caramel better, but I'm just like worried that I'm not gonna be able to find it anywhere. So it's still on the hunt for that. Yeah, I'm gonna head outside and then come back probably in like a couple hours and I'll be able to finish up. Yeah, I definitely feel like I want to get some sun. It definitely helps me feel a bit more energized and kind of more productive anyways. Going to the gym. We're actually making it. Just got back from the gym. We're having nice healthy dinner. It's like a fruit chicken salad, one of our favorites too. I feel like we never really like, it doesn't sound good until we make it and then it's like the bomb. It has strawberries, grapes, chicken, mixed greens, really yummy. So I'm about to be at my parents' house for a little girls' night. I think I talked earlier that we're gonna make cookies for my sister's baby shower, which is this weekend. I just realized I haven't thought about what I'm gonna wear to that, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, we always get together like once a week. We usually like watch a show. So I don't know if we're gonna watch anything tonight. About to head into work. Just wearing something super simple and comfy. This is my, I don't want to pick out an outfit. So just a big cardigan, leggings, and little flats. These are from Express. I actually really love them. They're like the perfect like pointed toe kind of flat work shoe, and they also have a little strap in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to work now. I actually have a short day today. I have to figure out exactly when I can leave, but I only have like 6 hours or something to work. And today is like my Friday, so that's exciting. So this morning's turn of events, I dropped the Keurig like water holder on the ground and it cracked fully on the side. A bunch of little pieces came off. I thought that it was like fine still. I thought maybe just like the corner had like cracked off, but I filled it back up with water and the whole side has a huge crack in it. So water is leaking out of it. And yeah, so I threw in the Keurig really quick and made my 1 cup of coffee as it's like pretty much leaking, and threw it in the sink. And John helped me clean it all up and I was just stressed and freaking out. So yeah, that happened. Great start to the day. My shoes are still wet, but it's okay. So yeah, who knows, I might have to be shopping for a Keurig today. My plan was to actually shop after work just because I have to get some more food for the shower on Saturday, and I'm still looking for my caramel syrup for my coffees. So I thought if anything I'd go to those couple stores and we can maybe still go to the gym, but honestly I don't think that's gonna happen today. Probably gonna have to just stay out and get my errands done, and maybe now have to go pick out a new Keurig. So we have a coffee pot, so like we can get by with like just making regular coffee, but I use the Keurig every morning and it's like my favorite thing, so I'm really sad. It's actually so old. I think it was my parents' first Keurig and then they gave it to me to have in my college apartment. So it's lived through all of our lives and now it's dead, thanks to me. I've come to the conclusion that I really do want an espresso maker, like a real espresso maker. Probably not an Nespresso, which I've never actually had one, but That's basically like the Keurig equivalent to espresso. So I know it's funny, I'm like, yes to the Keurig, but no to the Nespresso. But anytime I order coffee, I'm always getting like an Americano or a latte rather than just like regular coffee if I'm out. So I'd really love to be able to make espresso drinks. There's definitely combinations where it's like a coffee pot and a Keurig together. And then there's some where it's, I think like an espresso and a Keurig. But if I want like a standalone espresso machine, I think that's like the only way to do it. So yeah, and I was thinking maybe I could ask for one of those for Christmas, or just kind of was planning in the future for that. But now I have to worry about my daily coffee issue. So I guess I'll kind of look into what kind of combinations there are if we want to look at that today, or kind of just get by with what we have. But yeah, not fun. So I'm done with work, and now I just got to Home Goods, which is right next to Aldi, which is where I'm gonna do some grocery shopping. So I'm gonna run through Home Goods. Obviously, like I said, I'm looking for my coffee syrup, but why not just browse the whole place? And then yeah, I'm gonna pick up some things that we need for food, and then also what I'm gonna use for the charcuterie board for the shower. So yeah, I'm gonna head in now and take a look around. They don't have it. I'm getting really concerned. So I did a little outfit change. Didn't want to be wearing that cardigan anymore, even though it's still really hot, but I get cold in places, so this is fine. And we're wearing our matching shoes. I got these at the Adidas outlet, and then he went and got them at a different Adidas outlet. So now we match, but these are great. And we're gonna go eat. We're actually going to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Well, we're gonna try.
John
Service there has been really crappy.
Oh. Well, yeah, because he tried to go a little bit ago, or a couple weeks ago, and didn't even get to eat there. So we're going to try and go now because it's, what is it, Thursday? Buffalo?
BOGO Thursday.
Oh, Buffalo Thursday. I was going to say BOGO Thursday. Yeah, and then we have to go to some other stores because, oh, I took a little clip in the store. They didn't have the syrup. And I'm starting to get really worried that it's like gone forever. So we're about to go out on the town. Forgot to vlog dinner, but it was good. And now we're going to the homeland. So we're back home and my syrup is nowhere to be found. Yeah, we looked at TJ Maxx and Marshall's and it's nowhere. They have like mocha, and then they have like the other brand syrup, but they don't have one to use, and I don't understand. And now I wish I just got the one at Home Goods I saw, because it was like caramel pecan or something. So it was like, that's kind of similar. John got some stuff at TJ Maxx, and the only thing I got is this oil and vinegar bottle to match the one. We got one of these for my bridal shower, so it was on our registry, but I always wanted the second one, and I think they've been like not in stock at Bed Bath & Beyond, so I've been looking for that size everywhere, and I finally just found one. So now we have two, even though I think they're slightly different. The like top is different, but I could put balsamic vinegar in here. So really excited that I finally found that. And then we got crumble, which was already insane. Surprised we even made it back. We were in there for like over an hour. I feel like maybe an hour, 30 minutes. Yeah, there was just a million people when we first got in there, and then we hadn't even ordered yet. They made us wait to order like 30 minutes, and then it took like 30 more minutes to get the cookies. They just like were backed up in orders, but it looks so good. This is another menu, weekly menu we felt like we couldn't pass up. Rocky Road. This one's cookie butter, honey bun, and a cosmic brownie, or I think it's like galaxy brownie, but it's essentially a cosmic brownie, which is like one of our faves. So these look amazing. So we always like take off a little piece and try all of them. Happy Friday. I don't have my camera with me, so I'm vlogging on my phone. I'm heading to my parents' house because I have the whole day off. I'm gonna be helping my mom get ready for tomorrow's baby shower. I just stopped to get coffee at one of our favorite local places. It's called Foxtail. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's kind of like one of those like craft trendy coffee places rather than just like Starbucks or Dunkin'. Usually I don't like that kind of coffee. I don't know what you would call it, but like how Tampa has Buddy Brew, I never really like it, so I don't know. It usually has like a weird flavor to the roast that they use, I guess, but Foxtail is really good. So got an Americano, which is still my order kind of anywhere else. But yeah, I'm heading there now. I'm gonna drop off the stuff I have, and then I think we're gonna go get some more food stuff and then just spend the day kind of getting everything together. So yeah, I'm not sure how much more I will vlog today, so this might be pretty much the end of the vlog, but overall that was my week this week. Hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.